guys, Clay and Coco with eKnives.com, and we are at SHOT Show 2026, and we are with the team themselves, the Protek team. We are with Dave and Jen. You guys all know Jen. We shout out Jen in all of our Protek videos.
We had to put a face with a name.
Yes. And she loves doing videos. So we're gonna let Jen take it away.
Take it away, Jen.
And tell us what's new for 2026.
Okay.
You got this.
We have the new Avalon here, our collaboration with Peace Neighbor.
I love that one.
This one's really nice. A button lock flipper. Next on the table.
Super deep clip on that as well.
Yeah.
Like, it's amazing, yeah.
We also snuck MagnaCut in it. It is our largest of the button lock manual knives in the lineup. So you got the Malibu Action thumb stud, super smooth on bearings, designed by Peace Neighbor, Sean Ashmore. You might know him from the X-Men or the TV show The Rookie. He's a customer and friend of ours for several years now. We're thrilled to bring his design to life. The reaction so far on the Avalon's been super
That's going to be a hot
It's
seller
so
this
good,
year.
yeah.
Awesome. It's
Awesome.
amazing.
Next
What's
on the
next,
table,
Jen?
we have the Godson here with blue handle, and then also has satin hardware for you guys.
So now we're going old school, right? We showed you something brand new. The Godson is a classic Protek piece, perennial seller for us. I think 2003 was when I introduced the Godson. And what's fun with this knife is like always something new, right? New colors, new inlays, new platforms. But something like this, blue satin classic Protek Godson. If you don't have one, you must.
Yeah, absolutely.
It is a must in a
It's a
collection.
staple in our store for sure.
Absolutely.
All right, next on the table we have the Integrity. This one got a new upgraded blade steel to MagnaCut. So this one has the relic texture here, deep carry pocket clip.
And this knife was actually new last year at SHOT Show, right?
Correct.
So you released this last year at SHOT Show. This has been a huge seller for us.
Oh, it's great.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Like, to be an auto company, you guys do manual.
It's amazing how well their manuals set. Like, they outperform a lot of the autos. It's crazy. Sometimes.
Yeah, we
it's
love
true.
it. Yeah.
Flip that again, Jen. You did such a beautiful job. Sure, it's like butter, right?
Butter.
Also, besides flipping it beautifully on the video and telling you guys about the knives, Jennifer is the guru and the master of all customer service things at Protek. If you've got a knife you need to send in for sharpening or some kind of tune-up or whatever, she's going to be the person who hand carries it out to the shop, picks the right person in the assembly team to handle your repair. So when you get it back in record time, exactly the way you wanted it, you can call and thank Jennifer.
She's also hand delivers it apparently, because she will get a knife back to you. What's your average day now?
So we're looking at about a 7-day turnaround for warranty.
Yeah.
Nobody does that. There's
Nobody in the industry does a 7-day turnaround.
And everyone in the building at Protek is amazing, but really Jen does a lot of, I'd say, bridge building in between departments.
Yeah.
And so from the office to the assembly and back and forth and all the rest of it, and it really does make a difference in getting that knife back to you repaired and perfect. So thank you, Jennifer.
Yeah.
She's a linchpin at Protek.
Totally.
Yeah.
And when people buy into, when they spend hard-earned money on a knife, and a lot of times this might be their first higher purchase knife, they want to know that they're going to be taken care of if something happens to it. And there are so many times where people they buy something and then they get let down on the service, warranty, anything like that. Not Protek.
here.
We will always say Protek has the best customer service, and
A premium
R&A.
product really lives up to it when the service is there too.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
besides having the right materials and the right machines, the number one valuable thing we have at Protek is the right people.
Yep, the people. And you guys are always.
We love you too.
People make the difference, for sure.
All right, what's next, Jen?
All right,
Oh,
next.
I love this color.
So this is the Duke 2. We brought this back a little bit earlier, last year. So this is a new color scheme that we're doing. It's called the Heritage. So it has a tan PVD blade, a navy blue handle, and then this one has a pearl button in there for you. Deep carry pocket clip as
love
well. This one also has MagnaCut.
Awesome.
I love the size of this knife.
Yeah.
It's
I
good.
love it.
It's a great gentleman's auto. You can get everything in your EDC needs handled with it, but it's not huge, it's not tactical. And so I feel like for an office environment or someplace where maybe a Godfather wouldn't be the right choice, you could bust a Duke out and no one's going to come, cry out of the room or
It can be a
anything.
church carry.
Your church
Absolutely.
carry,
Absolutely.
On scrubs. Doctors, nurses, like you need something light and
Suit pants.
small.
Yep,
Yep.
absolutely.
Throw it on your scrubs.
Awesome. What's next?
All right. So next we have 2 different variations of the rock eye for you guys. This one hasn't been in production for a while, but it is back now. This one has also had an upgrade in blade steel to MagnaCut.
Nice.
So you have 2 options of it, the black aluminum and then also the blue here.
You know,
This is a Les George.
exactly.
Yep, right?
Every time I pick up a rock eye, you can tell a Marine designed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it's duty driven, hardcore. The action is immaculate, and I feel like for people that are going to use an auto hard, this finger guard and the jimping give you that secure purchase. Like you could really go to work with this knife and feel very comfortable with it.
Yeah.
And it looks so good with like the new handle because it's always been very tactical with the, the inlays, the grip. So yeah, this is great. And Les was actually in the shop last week.
Nice.
Stop by.
What a character.
Yeah.
Did he bring donuts?
He did not.
What?
No.
He's like the donut
He let us
master.
down on that.
He's
Yeah.
really
Wes?
fond of donuts.
Why did we not get donuts?
Very many dozens of donuts.
He and Chad probably ate them on the way to us. Yeah.
That explains it. Yes. Let's go with that.
All right, I'm excited about this
Ooh,
next
what's
one.
this next
Okay.
one?
Yeah.
So the next one is going to be our new release for SHOT Show, the Scapegoat, our collaboration with Ramon Chavez. This one also has the new blade steel. This one's the prototype Magnemax.
Dave, what do you think about the Magnemax?
Yeah.
You know,
like it.
it's so exciting. The whole history of Laren Thomas and MagnaCut and Magnemax is so fascinating. So his dad, of course, Devin Thomas, the father of stainless Damascus. So you've got a PhD metallurgist whose dad literally started the entire phase of stainless Damascus. There's no better pedigree on the planet for someone to be involved in a blade steel. And so when he invents something, the world pays attention, right?
Yeah.
And so MagnaCut's been great. His new baby, his new invention is Magnemax, and it adds some toughness to the already great MagnaCut. And we just built these. Like, it might still be warm to the touch from sharpening, honestly. So we don't have any history as far as that, but from grinding it and machining it, you learn a lot.
Yeah.
And this grinds closer to, say, a 20 CV. You can feel the toughness. You got to slow the grinding wheel down. You got to make multiple passes. It is, I believe, from our early indications, going to be a great steel.
Yeah.
I trust Laren implicitly, and then based on the grinding, you can feel the toughness. I think it's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one thing we've done, we're very proud of, and I think it stems from the relationship with Devin Thomas, is when we got MagnaCut and when we got Magnamax, rather than us trying to be the middleman for the heat treat process, I had Laren Thomas talk directly to the metallurgist at our heat treat company. Because when you get a spec sheet,
Good idea, yeah.
there's a range of temperatures for all these different steps, and I'm not going to even start guessing which one.
Yeah.
So let those guys get together, let them pound out the details, and that's what we've done.
Yeah.
So 63 to 65 Rockwell is where it landed. Laren Thomas himself got samples of the steel and said, this is exactly what I want. So when someone gets it, you can rest assured, not only is it the new best steel, but the doctor himself has checked it.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's great.
I love it.
Oh, Malibu's, right? You can't go to Protek and not talk about this knife. So classic stuff. We are bringing out a couple of fun new colorways. I really love this gray and black. And again, it's a very Protek way, right? You got a classic Protek. Every time you pull up eKnives and you check their inventory, you're going to see fresh new stuff.
Yep.
It's our job to answer the question for the customers, what's new? There's always a Protek there.
Yep.
So anyway, we super appreciate the business and we super appreciate your support. Thank you for buying American. Thank you for buying Protek. Myself and my 43 employees really do love what we do, and we couldn't do it without you.
And we feel the same way about Protek.
Yes.
An amazing company to partner with. I love this Malibu. It's probably one of their best sellers. So.
Yeah. And we worked how many years? Did Dave tell us no?
I said
And now we're here at SHOT Show.
not yet.
We were the thorn in Dave's side for many years.
He's like, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. And that one show, he was like, thank you for your patience. We're ready.
It's
and
time.
I think I fainted for just a second. But we love working with these guys. They are amazing. If you're not familiar with Protek, make sure you check them out. You know Jen now. Jen, you killed it. Thank you for joining us on video.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
All
you
right,
guys.
guys. Happy SHOT Show. And as always, have a nice day.